Welcome to 19503 Redwood Drive in Monterey, California. This Russian Riverfront home, situated across the street from the Northwood golf course, has a classic riverfront design. There are two bedrooms downstairs, and a lofted third bedroom which captures the essence of riverfront living. Windows are the key to the enjoyment of this home, and most doors lead to the amazing Ipe decking. From the deck, you can enjoy towering redwoods and unobstructed views. Thank you for viewing 19503 Redwood Drive in Monterey, California.